Tomorrow is a very special day. I'm taking some village children on a boat trip. You, Gordon, are to take us to Brendam Docks. The boat leaves at 9 o'clock, so you must not be late. Why are you fooling around, Gordon? You must go quickly, or the children will miss the boat, and that will never do. Remember, you are the fastest engine on the island. You have been making lots of noises. Oh, I knew you could do it. But why haven't you been on the repair yard? You need to have your engine looked at. Scrap, Gordon? The fastest engine on Sodor?